Okay, this is going to be another video on how to combine photos. What you have before you is just a photo of a safari scene, and what I want to do is bring in other animals, and I've already made selections for some photos I want to bring in. So if I go to this file, you can see that I've already created a selection around this giraffe. I took my time to make a really good selection. Since I've got this area targeted, I'm going to go edit, copy, I'm going to flip back to this scene and go edit, paste. So there's the giraffe. The next one I want to bring in is this elephant. Again, I've already taken the time to make a really good selection. So I'm going to go edit, copy, I'm going to flip back to this file and go edit, paste. I'm going to come back and scale these down. The next one I want to bring in is this balloon, this hot air balloon. Again, I've already made a good selection and I'm going to go edit, copy, I'm going to flip back to this file and edit, paste. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and scale these objects down. I'm going to start with this hot air balloon and I'm going to go edit, free transform, and I'm going to scale it down. It's going to be in the background, and that's about the size I want it. So I'm going to hit my return key. I'm going to scale down this elephant. I've got that layer selected. I'm going to go edit, free transform, and scale. Okay, and I'm going to make him kind of in the background, so I'm going to make him a lot smaller. No, maybe I'll make him big, sort of in the forefront. Well, I'll start there. Maybe I'll change my mind. Now I'm going to scale down the giraffe. I've got that layer selected and I'm going to go edit, free transform, and scale this one down. And say OK. Now I'm going to rearrange things a little bit. I'm going to go back to this layer and maybe move that balloon kind of back here a little bit. I'm not really happy where I've placed the elephant. Okay, so maybe I will scale him down more so in the background. So I'm going to scale it down a little bit more. So I'm going to go edit, free transform, and scale him down. So looks like he's kind of approaching in the background. And where do I want? Maybe I want to put him right here. Hit the return key. Now this giraffe, I'm going to move him down just a little bit. I don't really want to see his legs here. It looks a little bit awkward. I like that a little bit better. It's a little bit more balanced composition. Maybe I'll move this over a little bit as well. Now I've taken three other images, and I brought them into this file by simply creating good selections, copying those selections and the pixels and bringing them into this photo.